let's have some dinner. Carl just got home with some Chipotle. Oh, I literally have not had Chipotle in so long. It's probably been like a year. It's been a long time. Anyhow. All right. This is my order. Now, sometimes I get chicken. I like the barbacoa, which is like the shredded beef. But I also love the carnitas, which is the shredded pork. So I got that tonight. I got a bowl. White rice, black beans, corn salsa, the pork, and then I did cheese. I got sour cream on the side. I got the salad dressing on the side. And then I also got some tortillas. All right, because here's what we're gonna do. I got my, ooh, they're nice and hot. Ooh, yes. Okay. All right, hold on, I'm way too excited. Okay, I've got a piece of a tortilla here. I'm gonna take my fork, put my sour cream down, and then I'm gonna put some of my bowl. That's Miss Rachel in the background. Yes, that is what that is. And then we're gonna dip it in the salad dressing. Why did we stop eating Chipotle? I said, why did we stop getting Chipotle? We kind of just forgot about it. Their tortillas. Their tortillas are elite. I don't know if they're a blend. No, they're not. They're not corn. They're all flour. But I did read, like, in this, like, actually, I forget where I read it. I don't think it was in college. But I know that they have the made special, obviously. And it's, like, a special blend. That's how they get them, like, so thin and soft and, like, delicious. So good. Hello, sir.
Hello.
Thank you for going out in the pre-Thanksgiving traffic.
Things I do for Chipotle.
I just honestly, I was gonna make calzones, which I am gonna make calzones with you guys, I think on Friday. But yeah, it was getting late, and I was like, honestly, if I had to wait for him to like go out and like run the errands and then come back, or if I went out and came back and then started cooking, like it's already 5:30, and this is very early for us because normally we eat very late, as you guys know. But I was just super hungry today because I'm pregnant. I don't know. Fun fact, I love their dressing. Trader Joe's used to sell a dressing that tasted just like Chipotle's dressing. We stopped selling it. I don't know why. Probably because it was very underrated. I feel like nobody really knew about it, but it tasted just like Chipotle's. It was so good. That wasn't fun or fresh from Trader Joe's. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and finish this up. What time is it? It is 5:30. Wow, and we're gonna be done early. This means that I'm going to be hungry later if we're eating this early. You know that, right, Carl?
What?
Because we ate so early, I'm going to be hungry later.
That's cool.
I don't know. Maybe I'll make a dessert or something later, but I'll talk to you guys later. And yeah, bye.